Guys, for the first time in my life, I'm gonna review the most expensive shaver. This is the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus and it costs 20,000 rupees. So make sure you watch the full complete video until the end. Now let's start the unboxing part of this box and let's see what kind of premium attachments we will get inside along with this shaver. As soon as we open up the box, we get here one cleaning cartridge. This thing helps us to clean up the shaver, and it's beneficial for shaver's hygiene purpose as stated by the brand itself. Along with all these things, here is our shaver which comes inside this black color box, and I like the quality of this box. Here is our shaver, just look at this, and it's a very costly product which gives a very premium type of feeling, which we will talk about this later in this video. Along with all this, we get here one black color charger. Next, here we get a cleaning station, and it's the first time in my life I'm using a product where I get a cleaning station, and here you can put your shaver inside it and this thing will help you to clean up your shaver. Okay, now along with all these things we get here one user manual, and at the end you get here one small cleaning brush. And yeah, that's pretty much all of this attachment we get inside the shaver box, and now let's move on. Alright guys, here we have our Braun Pro shaver, and if we talk about its first impressions, it is looking really amazing. It comes in the silver black color finishing and it is looking premium. As you can see, this grey color section of the trimmer feels like it's made out of metal, but if you touch it like this, it gives a plasticky type of sound, and this black color part you are seeing here, it is made out of some kind of rubberized material which gives a complete nice grip for holding it. Now guys, as you can see the uppermost part of this trimmer, you get here lots of blades. You get here two foil shaver, and in the middle you get two trimmer here. One is called Pro Leaf blade and the another one is direct blade. And right in the center you can see there is another light type of metallic thing. It's called a skin guard, which will prevent your skin from getting any type of cuts. Now guys, as you see here, these blades are auto adjustable. All the blades you are seeing here are independent. That means they can be independently auto adjustable. Not only this, the motor you are seeing here can be rotated like this, up and down, and it will give you a very smooth kind of experience. And now if you want to lock this motor, you have to press this button, and now as you can see, if you try to move the motor, it won't move because it is locked now. The features you get here are really powerful, but what about the trimming quality, which we will talk about it later on shortly. At the same time, if you look at this side, you get here one charging port, and you will get 1 hour of battery backup upon full charge. And guys, this is a cordless trimmer, that means you can't use it while connected to a power source. Now as soon as you press this button, it displays a battery level indicator which gives us an idea about how much battery is left in this trimmer. And now guys, if your battery goes below 10%, this indicator will show battery percentage in numerical numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And not only this, if you keep on pressing this power button for 3 seconds, it will enable the travel log feature. Means if you try to on this shaver, it's not gonna happen. The shaver's blade can be taken out like that very easily, and to connect it back again, it's that easy too. Okay, now guys, it's finally the time to check the trimming quality of this shaver, and also we're gonna check if this shaver is really worth 20,000 rupees. This video is not sponsored. I purchased this trimmer myself to give you an honest review. If you plan to buy it, please use the link in the description. It supports my channel and helps you to get the best deal at no extra cost to you. Hence my beard became quite long, so before shave we have to trim it. This shaver comes with inbuilt trimmer. To use, just slide it up from here. So finally with this trimmer, I had trimmed my beard and the results are right in front of your eyes. As you can see how perfectly it has trimmed my beard. Also the trimming time is quick, it doesn't take time. Let me show you side by side comparison once so that you can get the idea about its trimming quality. Now you can slide this trimmer downwards just like that. And now it's time to show you the shaving quality of this trimmer. As you know that a shaver can be used on both wet and dry skin. But in which side of the face the shaver will perform better. For testing this, I'm gonna apply shaving cream and shave one side, and on another side I'm gonna shave without applying any shaving cream, and after that we will do side by side comparison. Alright guys, we finally did clean shave with the help of this trimmer. And if we talk about the performance, what an amazing piece of product. It clean shaved my face really good. This is one of the best shaver I have used in my life. It gives a whole new level of shaving experience. It shaves and trims beard very comfortably without any fear or tension of getting cuts. Along with all these things, if we talk about this trimmer's drawback, the shaver while trimming does lots of vibration, and this trimmer does the most vibration out of every other trimmer I have used on my life. This side of my face I have used shaving cream, and this side of my face I haven't used shaving cream. And here is the side by side comparison of my face. I am sure you can't see any difference because there are no differences here. The only difference that's it, while doing shaving on wet side of the face, it's gonna give you really smooth experience in less time. You can shave all your beard very smoothly. Whereas if you shave on the dry side of the face, it's not gonna give you that type of smooth shaving experience. Okay guys, now let's move forward and let's connect the shaver with the cleaning station to see how well the cleaning station can clean up the shaver. But make sure guys, before putting the shaver inside this cleaning station, you have to clean or wash the shaver and then place it like that and let it dry. As soon as the shaver gets inside this cleaning station, it's displaying charging indicator. That means the shaver is on charging mode, and if you want to clean up the shaver, you just have to press this button and the cleaning process inside the station has successfully begun. So this will give you 3 times of non-stop continuous cleaning process. I can hear sound of a fan coming from inside. Listen to it once guys. I think it has got an inbuilt fan inside of this cleaning station which will dry all of the blades. And now as you can see that the lights went off which was on during the process, which means it has completed the drying process. And now let me just pull out the shaver from the station. And so guys, here you can see the shaver is now completely dried off. And now let me show you once by removing this cover. As you can see here, it has dried off completely from the inside part. And so I like the cleaning process of this station, which is pretty amazing. So if I place it back here like this again, you can see the shaver is completely charged. So in this way, this cleaning station helped me to clean up the shaver. I will highly recommend it to you. You can absolutely buy this amazing trimmer, but make sure you buy from the links given in the description so that it will help me and you will get this trimmer in the very best price. And if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure subscribe my channel, give it a like, and thank you for watching.